Aside from Manila Paper Dress Contest, we would like to acknowledge also the armor of God. Since ang ating pong tema ay ready, set on fire, ang ating pong mga armor of God ay nakatema or nakakonekta po sa mga racing cars. So to welcome our contestant, let's give a round of applause for nursery and kinder teachers.
Good day, teachers! My name is Judah Duringo, representing Nursery and Kinder Teachers. Mini Flames, a little light shining bright.
Thank you very much. From grades 1 to 4, let's welcome.
Good night, teachers. My name is Frank Charlie Francisco, representing Turbo Believers. We are racers igniting others.
Thank you very much. And last but not the least, let's welcome from grade 5 to young adult teachers.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Elmer Sidro, representative of Grade 5 to Young Adult Teachers, Rema Disciples!
Maraming salamat po. Muli, palakpakan po natin ang ating po mga contestant. Once again, let's welcome from grade nursery and kinder teachers. From grade 5 to young adult. And from grades 1 to 4, teachers. This is the armor of God.